I forgot recording. That's not okay. How goes one? Then the ha, three root sound re. Then sa, pa, che. Then ha, che. Then ra, ma, na, la, tha, ka, pa. Rồi, pego. Pego duk, lasso. 야, 되네, 네, 디, 다르다, 다, 말해, 다래, 하고, 다, soft, 오케이? 되네, 네, 디, 말해, 가래, soft, 하고, 응? 말하다, 하고, 말하다, 가, 하고, okay? I have seen this. Many of us make this mistake. Agosma. Chezang, I'm saying this again. The parda ba mare pare pa. Agosma peo lasso. Yeah, tene trying da. Yeah. Mm. Pema jinbala lorona tirorona lasso.
Ha, ra, ma, na, la, pa, pa, pa.
Peo. Lasso. Tujichi. Lasso. 야, 되네. 미끼, 라가덱 라인다. 응?
Ah,
라가,
ah,
라스.
ma, na, la, ta, ka, ba,
바 말해. 바
ba,
말해. 가르래. 바,
ba,
soft.
ba,
응. 바 말해.
ba,
아,
ba,
아.
ba,
응?
ba.
Very good try, very good try. 하고서, you have to say it slowly. With the soft air coming out.
Ah,
That's it. That's the one. Oh yeah. Take your time and then say it. Agosuma. We have already built up some habit. We have to change this. Agosuma. Lasso. Tade pe agoloso. Agosuma. Tene ya susi luna la inda. Susi luna la dilota.
A, sa, pa, ha,
Di.
ha,
Mm. Ha.
ha,
Mm.
ha,
That's it. Strong.
ha,
Strong air.
ha.
Oh yeah, like this. Mm. Or you can say this is male, this is transgender, and this is female. You can say like this. Agosuma. Okay. As we can see, male's voice are very pointy, sharp. Ah, sa, pa, like this. And female's voice are very low, calm. Ra, ma, na, la, tha, like this. Hagosuma. Then in between, transgender. Remember, ha, like this. Hagosuma. I'm just giving an example. Okay? Hagosuma. Or you can differentiate on the basis of sound or aspiration, how the air come in out. Ruba? Mm, like this. Okay? I have given just few examples. Hagosuma. Like this. Okay? Then we learned any of these consonants with the ka suffix, right? And if you don't know what is suffix, let me say it quickly. Suffix here in Tibetan language is defined as whatever letter that is coming after the main sound is suffix. Now the question comes to what is main sound? Main sound is when you say a word, whatever the first sound comes is the main sound. For example, here, ma kiku mi ka mik. When I say mik, mik labtu, ma tangpo kogire. First I hear ma, mik. That's why ma is the main sound. Then whatever letter is after the ma is suffix. Akosma, that's it. So now we know what is suffix. Whatever letter comes after the main sound is suffix. Akosma, base sound or main sound, whatever. Right? Hmm? Yeah, tene inda. Adam la inda. Let's try word with the ka suffix. How to read them. Yeah.
Dus deleg.
Deleg Adam la.
Ma kegu mi ka mik.
Fail.
Ma naro mo ka mo. Ma ka naro mo ka mo mo mo. La ka lak pa lakpa.
Fail. Lakpa. Fail lot. Tujiche. That's it. Right? Ma kigumi ka mik. Ma narumo ka mok. Ma narumo ka mok. Mok mok. La ka lak pa lakpa. Fail lot. Adam la. Tujiche. Tene ya. Then we have done any sound with the la suffix will make a L sound, like a L sound. Agosma, L. For example, if the main sound is pa, pa la pel, right? We did that yesterday. Now let's try. Yeah. Ellen la in the Ellen la. Ellen la, try Cherona.
Okay. Pa la pel,
Mhm.
ka la kel, ta la tel, na la nel, ra la ral,
No, rel.
rel, sa la sel,
Sa.
pa
Sel.
sel, pel,
Pa.
pel,
Pa.
pa,
Pel.
pel.
Pel. That's it. Peabuloso. Tujiche. Dradang yakuduk. Ellen la. Pronunciation yakuduk. Dradang yakuduk. Yakuduk. Good. Lasso. Tujiche. O lasso.
Yes,
Then
yes.
imogen la inda. Imogen hemen la. Try chigimbe. Yeah. Lasso. Rashid Delek. Imogen la.
Kala, tel, kala, kel,
Mhm.
tala, tel, nala, nel, rala, rel, sala, sel, pala, pel, mala, mel,
That's it. Pa la pel. Right? Sa la sel. Ma la mel. Hagosuma. Okay? Like this. Very good. Pe agolosum. Imogen la dradang yapodu tujiche. Tujiche. That's it. Then what we learned is yesterday any alphabet consonants with the na suffix will make n sound. Agosuma. For example, let's take the main sound la here. la, na, len. Len. Like this. Okay? Hmm? Pero. Yeah, then try in the. Pedro la in the. Pedro la.
Hello.
다시 들래?
Uh,
Pedro la.
dashi dere.
Yes.
La, la, na, nel, nen.
말해.
Len.
That's it. 배워불러서. 응?
Ma, temko, me, na, men.
배워.
Ma, kikumi, na, min.
That's it.
Min. Ra, kiku, na, nin.
말해. 라, 기구리.
Ra, kikuri, na, rin.
That's
Rin.
배워.
Ma, ma, naro, na,
마나로모, 나,
na, naromo, na, mon.
응?
Pa, naropo, na, pon.
응?
Sa, naroso, na, son.
That's it. Very good. Okay, 배워. Like this. So here with the naro, you are reading it like ma naro mo na mon like this. Instead of mon, little bit men like this. How goes on? Men. So I will tell you the difference. In Kham dialect, they say mon. Okay. Hmm? Uh, most people say men from central side. How goes on? Men. In Kham, mon like this. So that's the only difference. How goes on? Kham lama. You may have heard molam. They say. Rua? Some people, central people say menlam like this. So little different in accent. Writing is same. Agosuna like this. So I'm just showing example. No problem. Okay? Oh yeah. Like this. Ma narumo na men or mon. Pa narupo na pen. Sa naruso na sun. Like this. Agosuna pero. Hola so. If you know one how to read it properly, then you will understand the different accent because letter is same. Then you can notice what's the different accent. How goes on? Naturally. Lasso like this. Hmm? Teneya Rodrigo la in the Rodrigo la. Try Chiruna.
Okay. La, na, len.
That's it.
Ma, drink po, me, na, men.
Men. Hmm?
Ma, kigu, mi, na, min.
That's it.
Ra, kigu, ri, na, rin.
Mm-hmm.
Ma, naro, mo, na, mun. Pa, naro, po, na, pun.
That's it.
Pa, naro, so, na, sun.
That's it. Fair. Fair Wilson, Rodrigo la. Tujiche. Olas. That's it. That's all we learned. And some words. Agosuma. That's it. Fair. Very good. We did very well. Hmm? So that's it. Then let me introduce again little bit. Agosuma. Ah, ha, ah. Three root sound. Okay. Hmm? Now, normally when you read, Ruba, you read them like a ra, ma, na, la, tha, kha, pa, like this. Okay? Hmm? Now, out of these three, These two category doesn't change sound when there is a prefix. Okay? Prefix, not suffix. Only this category, category, sound changes when there is a prefix. Okay? Prefix. So there is only two types of sound changes. Okay? One is more bass, more bold. For example, here let's take the main sound ka. If there is a prefix here, it will become g, g, like a more bold. From ka to g, ka to g, like this. Hmm? Ruba? If I say two different words, Ruba, kang, gang, you can see the two sound, different sound here. One is more bass, one is softer. Kang, gang, kang, gang, kang, gang. For example, let's take tha here, tha. Okay? Hmm. Tha, the, tha, the. Now let's take a word. Then, then, then. Like this. Agosuma, some example. There are only two types, right? Sound changes. One is more bold, more bass. Ruba? So I just showed two examples. Agosuma, let me show you a word with the prefix. Hmm? Uh, you can see the screen, right? Right now? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
The letter,
Yeah, we can see it.
right? You can see these letters, right? Okay. I think someone doesn't see it. Hmm? That's right. Let me know if they doesn't see, if it's not seeing. Ruwa? That's right. Okay. Now, out of these three category, only our category sound changes when there is a prefix. Ruwa? There are two types. One is more bass. One is higher. It becomes more higher. For example, let's take main sound ma. When there is a prefix, it becomes ma, like this. Ma to ma, like this. Let's take na here. Na to na, like this. Ruwa? Now let's say a word with the main sound na. Nang, 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 ne, 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 nel, 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 nel. You can see the difference, Akosuma, in the sound. That's what I'm saying. When there is a prefix, this main sound changes to two types, Akosuma, and the two types I have just shown you example, you can describe whatever you like. I just say higher and bolder. Some academic people say less aspiration. Ruwa? When ka becomes g, you can see the less air coming out. Between ka and g, ma and ma, like this. Ruwa? So you can say anything, okay? Whatever is easier for you. I have shown you example. Ruwa? Now you can describe whatever you want. Hmm? Agosma? Like this. So let's do some words here, Ruba. For example, here. We know that with the na suffix it makes n sound, right? Hmm? Now we have a word here. Ka, ta, na, then. I would say then. Because of the ka, this ta becomes the. Agosma. That's why then. If I just write this, ta, na, ten, then, ten, then, ten, then, ten. You can see the difference. Okay? If it's very confusing, you can read this ka as a cow. Oh, 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 oh. Just add this sound. If the ka is the prefix, you can say kao ta na den, like this. How goes on? Okay? If the prefix is pa, pao da na den, like this. If the prefix is ma, mao ta na den. Now you can see, oh, like, how to use it. How goes on? Or you can just simply read as ma ta na den, like this. I'm just saying, oh, if you wanna be clear with the prefix. Ruba? Hmm? Like this. So as you wish, okay? Let me read it here. Ruba? Kao or ka, ta na den, ta na ten. Because of the ka prefix, this simple ta became the, right? And with the na suffix n sound, then here. Abosuna, that's the only reason. Because of the prefix, the sound changed. And why it sound changed? Because it's a category. If it's a category and ha category, the sound doesn't change when there is a prefix. So it's only this category. Agosuma, that's it. So which one changes to what? Even Tibetan don't know this. No need to know. Agosuma, just keep in mind. That's it. Hmm? Okay? Then you read. Then you build a habit. You don't have to think about the rule. Then it's already there. Agosuma, that's it. Hmm? Okay? Also, here. Ka tha na den. Tha na ten. Like this. Okay? Now here with the last suffix, let's take a main sound pa here. Okay? If the pa is the main sound, pa la pel here. Remember? Now let's say a pa la bell like this. Pa became ba here. Pel, bell, pel, bell. Ao pa la bell or a pa la bell. Like this. Okay? That's it. Now, do you have any question which is unclear about sound changes? How many types? And out of three, which category changes, which doesn't change? Do you have any question? Lasso, Edamla.
Hi. I was wondering how many prefixes there are.
Only five. There are
Only
only
five.
five.
Okay.
Okay?
치.
You don't need to know also that one. No problem. Just read and you make habit. That's it. No problem. That's it. I'm just saying so that you are not in the dark. A little bit light there. Like this. Hmm? Any? Less Ellen La.
Can you just repeat the two prefixes and what their effect is? One is more bold, one is more higher.
Yes.
Which is which?
Oh, which one becomes bolder? Which one becomes higher, you mean?
Yes.
Okay, let me show you here. Till what we know, ma and na becomes higher. Tha, kha, pa becomes bolder when there is a prefix. Okay, out of this. That's it. Okay, then we go by, I will tell. You can add up. Put a note like a category, leave a space. No, like this. Okay, that's it, Elena. Hmm? Actually, you don't need to know which one, which, but I'm just saying here, okay? It's not important to know. Hmm? Like this. Only important is which are the three root sound. Out of this group, only A is changing the sound when there is prefix. Okay, that's it. And how many changes? Two types. There is no 10, 15, only two. That's it. I have shown you here. Mhm. Now, if I give you a higher example, ma dengpo me na men, thao ma na men, tha ma na men, ma dengpo me na men, men, like this. Without Dengbo also, ma na men, tha ma na men, like this. Men. Okay? Like this. So I have shown you here. For example, na here. Na, la, nel. Ma, na, la, nel. Nel. I'm just showing here. The sound changes. Some example. Higher and bolder. Okay? Lasso. That's it. Now we practice. Yeah. That's it. Dum, dum, dum. I will suggest us to use this book. It's made for all of us. Free. You go there, open it, do revision. Okay? And I have shown you how to get this. It's very easy. Okay. Mar lapna dire. Paklep lapna dire. Like this. Yeah, let's try in the. Tene fang fang la yin. 방방라 D.
La Lana Len
빼고
Ka Na Ka Tha Na Den
빼고 then.
Din
Very good.
La Na Len
라, 나, 렌 빼고.
Na Na Nen
That's it. 나, 낸 빼고. 투지치 방방라. As we can see, 가, 다, 나, then. She didn't said ten. She said then. Realizing the sound change here. Okay? That's it. 빼고. 투지치. Whether the prefix is 가, 마, 다, 아, 바, anything. Effect is same. 하고서나. That's it. 야, 너네 소남 들어가라. D, 로로나.
파, 라, 펠,
빼고.
카, 라, 켈,
That's it.
다, 라, 델,
어?
라, 라, 렐.
That's it. Well. Okay? Now, come people, instead of L, they say kal, al, kal, pal, tal, ral, like this. Just extra information. 하고서나. That's it. 빼고. 파라, 펠, 카라, 켈, 타라, 텔, 라라, 렐. 근데 디, 나, 들어와? 나. Oh yeah. Yeah, then sound changes 되도와. Example. 인다. Try 인다. 당보 니말라인 니말라. 다시 델레 니말라 다왈라. 다왈라 디당 디로로나.
다 트링보테 바오 다 트링보테
빼고. That's it. As we can see, Nimala said, "Tha tengbo the, pa tha tengbo de, the, they." You can see the effect here. How goes
데, 데,
That's
데, 데.
fail. Now this pa you can read either as a pa or pao, the prefix for the prefix. How goes That's it. Fail. 빼고로선 두지치 나와라. 라스. 테네야 캔디스 라인다. 디트라이체다. 디탕디.
Ka Naroko, and then Mao Ga Naroko.
That's it. 빼고선선 두지치. 카나루코 마오 카나루고 or 마 카나루고. Like this. 빼고. 두지치 빼고로선 테네야 셔러방몰라 디탕 디로로나.
Da ga da. Ba da ga da.
Oh, very good try, Shiramola. But as we can see, she read these two same sound. Inayang dingi chikpa mare, but not same. How goes because this one has a prefix, this one don't have a prefix. How goes Chesang ta ka tak, pa ta ka duck, tak, duck, tak, duck, like this. 하고숭해. 셔러봉물라 하고숭해.
Hakumasong.
하고마송 알았어. 셔러봉물라 prefix 하고숭해. prefix.
Hakosong. Pa.
Letter before the letter before the main sound, prefix. 하고서마, right now, pa is before the main sound. Pa is prefix. 하고서마, okay? When there is a prefix, this tha becomes the. 하고서마, 싫어오물라.
하고송.
Just imitate me. That's it. 하고서마, just say after me. 다, 가, 닭.
다가다.
다 말해. 다, soft.
다가다. 다가다.
다, soft. 다, 가, 닭.
다가다.
바, 다, 가, 닭.
다다가다.
That's it. Right now, this much okay. Very good. Shiraumula. Tujiche. Very good try. Very brave. Last. Tujiche. That's it. Rua. Because Shiraumula already has a habit of reading this as a da, it will take little time to change it. Agosuma, you can always
두지체.
imitate me. Tujiche, thank you very much, Shiraumula. That's it. Teneya, Helgela인다. Helgela. Ditang di logrona.
Ta, ma, ra gives. Yeah, it's the right one you met, or the one you had arrow under. This is ma, ra, mar.
Yeah, well, that's it.
And there you have ta, ma, ra gives.
Mar.
Mar. Yeah, mar.
Higher. Mar.
Mar.
That's it. Ma, ra, mar. Tha,
Ma, ra, mar.
mar.
Ta, ma, ra, mar.
That's it. That's the different. Okay? If you can see or hear the different, that's good enough. Okay? Fair. Ma, ra, mar. Tha, ma, ra, mar. 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 Like this. 하고서 헬게라 투지치 thank you very much. 라서 드네야 마리아나라인다. 마리아나라. 디트라이치다.
마, 카, 막. 타오, 마, 카, 막.
That's it. 마리아나라. 골랐어. 투지치. 마카 막 타오 마카 막 or 다 마카 막. That's it. 막 막 막 막. Right? 하고서 as we can see here, we are trying for the first time and we are doing very well. 하고서 and we are also observing the effect of prefix on the R category consonants. 하고서 like this. For example, here we have 대, 대, 다, 댕보, 대, 바, 다, 댕보, 대, 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 like this. Okay? Here, 가, 나로, 고, 모, 가, 나로, 고, 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 like this. Then we have here tha kha thak, pau tha kha duck, thak, duck, thak, duck, like this. How goes ma? Hmm? Then we have higher here, mar, mar, ma, ra, mar, tha, ma, ra, mar, like this. Ma, kha, mak, tha, ma, kha, mak, like this. Mak, 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 like this. Okay? So this will be not known 100% now, no problem. I will remind it again and again. Okay? That's it. Agora, laço, pel.
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
can you show us how to get to this part of the book? I don't understand what is there in the book, and I don't know how to arrive here in the
Oh,
application.
yes, no problem. At
Thank you.
the ending of the class, I will show this, how to go to the website and open this book. Agora,
Thank you.
yes, that's it. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, Tene, try. Let's see how we do it. Let's try. Ruwa. Yeah, Miki Linda, Miki la. Di tang, di, logronang. Hmm?
Sa,
Hmm?
ma, ra, mar,
Well,
pa, pa, shaku, pu, ta, tempo, te.
well, very good. Yeah, Miki la. Di tang, di log tang. Di tang, di. Mm-hmm. Can you read this and this one?
Sa, ka, sa, tempo, se, ra. I don't know.
Very good. Se and ra, ser. That's it. Very easy here. Agosma, ser. Ka, sa. Dengbo, se, ra, ser. Because sa is a category, even though there is a prefix, the main sound sa doesn't change to anything because it's a category. And we know a and ha doesn't change sound when there is prefix. Agosuma, like this. So it's same. Whether there is without ka, you can say sa dengbo se ra ser, or with ka, cow sa dengbo se ra ser. Same. Chikpare. Agosuma. Okay? Yeah, Mikila, one more try jiginda. Ditang di.
Sa,
Hmm?
ka, sa, tempo, se, ra, ser.
That's it. Ser. Ser the gold rida. Ser gold. Agosuma. Sa. Agosuma. That's it. Peo. Very good. Peo guloso. Hola so. Tujiche Mikila. Tene
Fifty.
ruyun. Ruyun la ditang di logrona.
Ma, ra, mar,
Mm-hmm.
ta, ma, ra, mar,
Mm.
pa, naru, po, marpo,
That's it. Peo. Ma, ra, mar. Tau ma ra mar pa narupo marpo. Like this. Fabuloso. Riunla tujiche. As we can see here, the sound changes. How goes ma? Fabuloso. Tujiche. That's it. Hmm? Fabuloso. Yeah, tene pema jimbala inda. Ditang dilorona. Pema jimbala.
Ha ha shaku pu.
Mm-hmm.
Ao ha shaku pu boo.
That's it. Boo and boo. Like this. Pa shapkyu poo. A pa shapkyu boo. Like this. That's it. Because of the a prefix boo. Without poo. Boo. Poo. Boo. Poo. Like this. Fabuloso. That's it. Ruba. Tene ya susenla di tragic chetan. Ditan di. Ditan di tragic chetan. Susi. Ale. Susi lunala. Lasa.
Um, let's see. Ta drempo te.
That's it.
Ao ta kiku di.
That's it. D. D.
Di.
Di karere. Di karere. Di karere. You must have heard this when I say
Di.
di karere. Di karere. Yeah, di tang di.
Di.
Di tang di. Like that's what I'm saying. That's di. How goes on?
Di.
And we can see te
Di.
here. Te. Te. Di.
Te.
Te. Di. Te.
Te.
How goes on?
Di.
De. Di. Marre. Then te. Re. Re. Like this. How goes on? Okay. Te and di here. Te. Di. Te. Di. That's it. Then we hear poo, poo. Lobsang poo, Adam poo, Dawa poo, Susi pumo, Pema Jimba pumo, Miki pumo, like this. Poo, pumo. How goes on? Then you hear boo, any boo, not only this one. How goes on? It could be any boo. How goes on? Like this. Boo, poo, like this. Okay? So dini mar hakosong. Mar tang paklep. Paklep. Mar. Raba? Mar paklep jam. Peanut butter paklep. Mar paklep. Raba? Like this. Dini sa hakosong. Dini ser hakosong. That's it. So, fail. The look te. Look te. Raba? Like this. Then we have here Budi. You can look at the picture. Budi. Look te. Like this. Oh. Yeah, then Ellen la in the Ellen la.
I don't know mountain, but te.
Ri. Ra. Kiku. Ri. Ra. Kiku. Ri. Mountain.
Re te.
That's it. Ri. Te. Ri. Te. That's it.
Te.
Fair. So. Then yeah, Mickey la in the Mickey Ragadek la.
I don't remember this one.
Ser.
Ser bu. Ser bu?
Mali di kare re di. Di.
di, ser, di.
That's serdi. Serdi. That's it.
Ser,
Huh? Serdi.
ser, di.
Yeah, imogenla in there. Imogenla.
Nar, di.
Huh.
Nar,
Imogen.
di.
Hemenla. Huh? Bilaruna.
Mar, di.
That's it. Mardi. Hmm? Tujiche. Mikila, tujiche. Thank you. Yeah, dene imogenla in there. Imogenla. Disunta. Yeah.
Mare, mar.
Uh-huh.
¿No?
Mar.
Ma, ra, mar.
That's it. Mara, mara. Ani? D. Mardi.
Mardi.
Mardi. That's it. Mardi. How goes on? This picture is D. When I'm saying
Ah,
D, huh?
di.
You hear this word. D. D.
Mardi.
Huh? Mardi. Like this. How goes on? Yeah, Rodrigo Lainda.
Pumo di
D.
ana pu di.
D. Kharire. D. Therwa. D.
Der pumo der
Pumote. Like this.
pumo te.
Pumote. Okay? As we can see here, The is that. D is
That
this.
was this.
Mm. Rithe. Ridi. Pumudi. Like it. Okay? Yeah.
Mhm.
So that's it. Peo, peo. So I think I will not go more than this here. I'll go to Well, so that's it. So what I will say is don't worry about the description I made. Just try imitate me. Try reading, okay? Meaning we can describe anytime. First, let's make the pronunciation well and reading. How goes one? Like this. Okay? Oh, lasso, lasso. Then if you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will go here and show how to get this book. Okay? Lasso, lasso. If any question, you can ask me. Okay? Hola. Lasso. Then no question in yeah. In
Can
the
I view it on the handphone or laptop?
sorry? Oh, this one?
The,
This one, phone and laptop both. But I will suggest laptop. It's much better. How goes on?
oh, okay.
Because laptop is bigger, easier to navigate. Okay? Like this. Laptop better. So then let's say let's open a Google here, right? Then here on the Google search, you can write ARAPATSA, okay, which is spelled as Arapatsa. Arapatsa, na di 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 di, Marabaza na di 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 di, that one, okay, Arapatsa, like this. Then press enter, boom. Then you see here on the first, you see this orange round with some Tibetan letter inside, D, like this. So you click on that one, okay? Boom. This. So you come to this. You will see here register, sign in, Don't bother. No need. How goes on? Oh yeah. Don't bother anything this here. Don't worry about it. Just go down here. There are many option books. A1 here, something else here, something else here, something else here. Then if you look here, you can see pre-A1. That's the A0. Yes, Elena, you have a question? Okay. When you go down, you see here pre-A1. Okay? Pre-A1. Then just click that. Boom. When you click that, you see here, still register, sign in, don't worry. Okay? Just go here, view course. Boom. View course. Okay? Then you see a lot of Tibetan letters here. Don't worry. Just go to the first blue one. Press it. Boom. That's it. You press it, you will see something like this here. Okay? Then go down a little bit. That's it. This is the book. Then you see here two buttons, forward button and back button here. Okay? Then press this forward button. It will bring you to the page here. Ah! Ha! Ah! You can press it even. Ah! Yeah. Ha! Ah! Like this. But some he say ah! Like this. I was a little bit more soft. Ah! Thinking about the nature of calmness of like this. Okay? So that's it. Ruwa. Okay? Like this. So when you become very good, then you don't worry about the sound. But from the basic, do like this. Then you go next, 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 like this. Okay? Then what I will say is keep the main three root sound in the mind, and then one new thing is which one sound changes when there is a prefix. Okay? That's it. So that's it for today. Boom boom shagalaga. Lasso. Okay? Lasso. Lasso. Tujiche. Bye bye. Tata. Lasso.
Okay, ciao.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lasso.
Thank you, Tashidele.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you, Tashidele.